Hey y'all, it's your girl Sasha E. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a wash and go using some Jheri curl products. Y'all, I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I am actually really excited to get some results. So I went to the store and I got these two products. The first one is the Lordt S Curl No Drip. This is actually a curl activator moisturizer. And then I have the Lordt S Curl and Wave Gel Activator. So yeah, I'm going to use this one first and then I'm going to put this one on top. To help me out today, I have my handy dandy water bottle. I have a wide tooth comb, and I also have my Shine and Jam. As y'all know, this is my holy grail. I love this stuff. I use it just to slick down my edges and to make sure everything finishes off really nicely. So to get started, I am going to start with the back first. My hair is still pretty damp and moisturized. So I'm going to add a little bit more water. I'm actually going to separate my hair in two sections. I'm going to put this up here. See if I could show you guys the consistency of this. Y'all, this feels like water. So I don't know what this is gonna do for my hair, but we will see. So this is the consistency. Not very gel-like, but we'll see what it's gonna do for me. Do y'all like that? Y'all, I am not feeling that. Hold on. Let me get some more. This ain't it, boo. I'm about to go get my ecostyler gel and put on top of it. Hold on. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not feeling it at all. Like, I don't feel like it's really doing much for my hair. So I'm gonna add some gel and see if that makes a difference. See, that's what I expect when I do my hair. I expect bouncy curls like that. Not what I had experienced just a while ago. Yeah, I could get right with this. This look good. Well, it looks like it's actually defining my hair, but it's not lengthening my curls. So the Eco Styler down here actually lengthens them. See? Wow, whoa, yo. Do y'all see that? Yo. Hold on. Yo, do y'all see that? I'm legit like shocked. Oh, okay, let's move on. Yes. Oh my god. I am shooketh. I don't remember if I put some, I don't remember if I put this on there, so I'm gonna put this a little bit more. Do y'all see the definition? Like what? This thing is popping, y'all. Like, wow. And then the last little section up top. Alright guys, so I am all done. Overall, I like it. It looks good so far, so I'm gonna go off camera and let it dry, and then I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so I am back and I am ready to show y'all the final results. I'm so excited about this daggone wash and go. Like, your girl got moisture, definition, shine. Like, what more can I ask for in a wash and go? Literally, I feel like this is the perfect wash and go. Like, I am so in love with it. I'm so surprised by it because when I started applying the products, the two products, it was like the moisturizer, the little spray, and also the gel. I wasn't really blown away. I didn't feel like it was doing much for my hair. But the minute I added that ecostyler gel, y'all, ooh, everything just came to life. It just came together, and I'm so happy with the results, y'all. I think this is going to be a staple for me as far as my washing goes. I thought I couldn't get my washing goes to be any better until I tried the daggone Jheri curl gel. So I am very excited. I'm very thrilled about it. I think it looks amazing. The only downside to the Jheri curl gel is it is sticky. So even though my hair is dry, when I touch it, y'all see that? It's like, y'all can see that. Y'all see that? It's like sticky, you know what I mean? So that's the only like downside to it, but other than that, shoot, I'll take a little bit of stickiness if it's gonna give me definition, you feel me? I'm very pleased with it, and I hope, you know, this is gonna be a staple for me. I actually love it. So let me give you guys a 360 so that you guys can see what I see and appreciate what I see and what's happening in my hair right now. And y'all, my hair is growing. I'm very excited about that too. My hair is getting fuller, it's getting longer, it's starting to actually hang down instead of like shooting all the way up, which is nice too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.